You're missing the a value. So see how it's a squared? There's no a term because it's 0a minus 28. So you have the ax squared, you have the c. You need a placeholder. What you guys want to put is up to you. Do you have to? But you guys just have to know that when you bring down that next term, that negative 28 can't combine with the a term. So you know what mistakes you're more likely to make, what you aren't. Okay, so I don't care how you do a placeholder. You go leave it blank. You could put a 0a. You could just put a bar. I don't know, whatever works for you. You could put a little square, whatever you guys want, okay? Okay, so if I go ahead and divide, I'm going to do the 0a just because it's more appropriate, but you don't have to be formal. Okay. How many a's do I need to multiply to a to get a squared? A, right? Because a squared divided by a is 1 when you take the leading coefficients, the leading terms, right? Leading terms, not leading coefficient. I get an a, I get a 1a. So now you multiply. A times a is a squared, right? And they should always be identical. A times negative, yeah, you guys are saying it. And so there's your negative 5a. But remember, you guys have to come in with your subtraction. Subtract, change the sign. Yes, positive, right? Good job, Kelly. This always goes to 0. If it's not 0, you did something wrong. Okay, now 5a. Now you bring down the constant negative 28. And so now again, take your two leading terms. What's 5a over a? It's 5. Or you could ask yourself, what do I need to multiply times a to get 5a? You need 5. So 5 times a, 5a. 5 times negative 5, negative 25. But you come in with the red marker, you subtract, you change the negative 25 to a positive 25, and now I get negative 3, so that's my remainder. Ah, that's a 5. I almost made an 8. Sorry. Yeah?
Yeah.
Easy long division. Eventually we'll get zeros, but right now we're just more getting this process down. Yeah. Go into the next one or wait? Nope. First period I recorded a video and I totally went dumb. Somebody called from the office and was asking me about someone, and I totally forgot to shut the video down. So I'm whispering, but am I whispering if the camera's recording? So I'm like, so I'm gonna have to delete the video and then, yeah. I was like, okay, so much for listening. For whispering. I used to have a student that was she was losing her hearing, so she had me wear a microphone. So I would put the microphone and it would feed into like her little headset so she could hear me. And she was so nice. She was always like, Miss Kinney, you should shut it off. Because like if say a kid came over and was like, oh Miss Kinney, so about my grade or this and that, or say someone called, and she was always so nice. She was like, oh, you're talking about something, you should shut it off. The girl like heard everything I ever said. Okay, can I shut it off? Yeah? And then I'll do the next one? Let me, just hold on. I think, it's not much writing, so let me wait for them.